guys going?
We're going to Italy. First, we're going to the airport.
Oh, are you taking your car with you?
Yeah, this is going to be an airplane inside the airplane, so I can't even fit in here.
So you don't have to rent a car when you go to Italy?
I have my own.
You guys going too fast. Wait for me.
Mommy, don't go fast. Look.
Hi.
I have rocks.